Hey, hello everyone, my brand new video. So guys, today we are going to review pen from company Boat that a few days before I have uploaded that one video of a black pen from Boat. That name was Black Cat. I hope that you all have seen that video. If you not seen, then go and see it. And today I have the RT version, means retractable design version of that pen. So this is the pen, Boat Black Cat RT ball pen, Black Cat RT BP. Maximum retail price can only, the best part of this is rupees can only, and one of the best part is in color was red, blue, black and green. So in this, green color was very less to get, but it has green color. It was also good. Let's open it and know that it is better or not, or it is much more smoother than that Luxor pen. Boat RT 0.7 mm. The design was totally solid plastic in the matte black design. The clip was also made of black plastic, and whatever the color you choose, that color, that plastic retractable mechanism that shows whatever the color you have chosen. So for you, let me show that the point according to me is 0.5 mm. Let me show you that. So yes, you can see that 0.5 mm. Let me write from it and give my experience. Hey, hello everyone to my brand new video. So the guys, I will say that the pen was gliding on the paper. You can see that the ink shade was very dark, very dark, and I can check that the ink was also not bleeding, and the ink shade was very dark, and the retractable mechanism was very smooth. So let's do the smudge test of it. First is smudge. Yes guys, it smudge a little bit from there smudging, but yeah, it smudge. Second is our waterproof. Let me apply water on it. So guys, it is waterproof, totally waterproof. And third is our highlighter test. Is guys, like the test when we apply highlighter on it. For highlighter I am using Luxor Glow Liquor. So it is no any reaction with this. So it is a very good pen. So let me write the results. Too smooth, waterproof, and it is matte good design For design also I will get that. And the for it is not smudge proof. So this was for today, guys. I hope that you all like the video. So guys, if you like the video, guys, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. And guys, yes, if you want the battle of that luxury pen and this boat, I will do that because I actually like it. So yes guys, this was for today, guys. Good day, guys, and Jai Hind.